Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forex coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the Euro USD. Okay, but before we start to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for education purposes only. This is not financial advice. Okay, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as traders and to help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. All right. Before we break down what's happening on the chart from the fundamental standpoint, from the technical analysis standpoint, let us discuss what's happening with the fundamentals of each respective currency. Okay. So when the market opened, we go into the Asian session, then we go into the Euro session before we go into, the London session before we go into the New York session. Okay. And when the market opened after the Asian session going into the London session, we did have some Euro news come out. Now, the news was not as good as it was previously, but it was definitely better than what they predicted it to be. So that kind of makes it lukewarm, where it's not so much strong or not so much weak, but it is. But what's really going to push it over the strength of weakness is the geopolitics that's happening in Europe that's causing inflation to grow over the European continent's economy related to the Russian-Ukrainian war. Okay, so this Russian-Ukrainian war has destabilized the entire European continent's economy as a whole, but we are starting to see that the EU is start taking a more aggressive and active role in combating its inflation. Okay, but we're not going to see any type of long-term strength happening with the euro or any other European continent currency until we start to get a halt or a ceasefire in the Russian-Ukrainian war. Okay, so as long as that conflict still continues, the only thing we're going to continue to see is more long-term weakness and short-term strength that is going to be related to any positive news that comes out about the euro. Okay. Now the USD is coming into this week as one of our stronger currencies, but it's starting to lose some of its trajectory strength due to more positive news and negative news coming out. Due to more negative news and positive news coming out about the USD. If we continue to have more negative news and positive news coming about the USD, we're going to start to see that strength start to get more slow down even more, or even start to stagnate, which is going to cause the USD, even though it starts strong, start performing as weak. Okay, and also if we continue to see a rising in gas prices too, we're going to also see a continuing of the weakening of the U.S. dollar as well. To understand about the relationship between the U.S. dollar and gas, please look at the USD CAD video. We do a good breakdown of that on there. Okay. So now with all that said, let's go ahead and break down what's happening on the chart. So as you can see, we've been going down, going down, and boom, we went down. Okay. We're actually at a 2-year low. Let me show you guys that. Yep, last time it was this low was oh no, we are actually at a 7-year low. Last time it was this low was actually 7 years ago. So we're going to start to see price pick back up very soon. Okay. So what happening now is we're starting to plateau out. We're starting to range up, and what we want to see is very aggressive pickup in that range. Okay. So what we're going to see, and it all depends on what's happening with the Europe. If the Europe is behaving strongly as this retracement happens, we're going to see more aggressive retracement targeting this area here. But if the euro is acting weak as this retracement is coming in, we're only going to see more pathetic push up to here or here. Okay, so we're going to range out some. We could slightly drop a little bit to around here, but we're going to continue to range out some before we start to pick up in price, and we may pick up as far as here, may pick up far as here, here, or even here before we start to range out and go into the long-term long position. Okay, so any long-term short position. So any buying that you see is going to either be from short to intermediate, and then after that buying is over, we're going to range out and go back into our short position long term. Okay. If you guys find that information helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get notifications every time we drop new trading and forex content. Also, liking and sharing our videos help pushes our videos out there further on YouTube, so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders. Okay, because we're trying to build a community of profitable traders. Also, last but not least, but definitely most important thing, please let us know what videos that you guys want broken, what charts that you guys want us to make videos on, market analysis videos on. I'm talking crypto, futures, US 30, oil, metals, other forex pairs, stocks, any charts that you guys will broken down, please let us know so we know how best to accommodate you. You can reach out to us by one of three ways. First way is through YouTube by even by leaving a comment in the videos that you do watch, or you can reach out to us via our emails or our social media links that are posted in every description of every video. Please reach out to us so we know how to best accommodate and to serve you by giving you the content, the trading content that you do want to see. Now, with that being said, happy trading.